last video we discussed about characteristics of n-channel depletion type MOSFET, in which we discussed drain characteristics. While now we'll discuss about transfer characteristics. In this transfer characteristics, we draw a graph between variation in the drain current with the gate to source voltage VGS for a fixed value of VDS. So that means this we draw the graph between ID versus VGS for a fixed value of VDS. VDS is constant, kept constant, and this VGS for different values of VGS. That means negative values, 0, and positive values. That means depletion mode up to 0. Depletion mode, it is operated in the depletion mode at a 0, and 0 to positive voltages are enhanced mode operation. In this operation, we will draw a graph between ID versus VGS is known as transfer characteristics. Now, you see from these characteristics in the depletion mode as the negative VGS increases means from let us suppose 4, -4, -3, -2, -1, and 0. As the negative voltage decreases, negative voltage decreases means towards the origin. As the VGS decreases, that value ID value increases, and when the VGS is equal to 0, that current ID goes to its saturation level. Okay, IDSS, and as the VGS is positive, this MOSFET operates in the enhancement mode. N-channel MOSFET operates in the N-channel mode. In N-channel mode, as the positive VGS increases, its drain current increases rapidly. So from the construction and working, we seen that for negative VGS, more number of electrons are recombined with the holes because of gate voltage is negative. Gate voltage is negative means this in N-channel, that electrons are in N-channel. Those N-channel electrons are repelled by this negative gate voltage. Hence, they are enters into the P region. Look right there. Now, this electrons are recombined with the holes present within the P region. P region lo unna holes toni recombine ayipo channel lo unna electron. Hence, the conductivity decreases. As the negative VGS increases, the conductivity decreases. That negative voltage of VGS, the negative voltage of VGS decreases means -4 to -3, -2, -1, -0, -1 and 0. Then as the voltage decreases, negative voltage decreases, then what happens? The electrons, the electrons in the N channel, less number of the electrons are repelled in the N channel. Hence, the conductivity increases. This conductivity increases at 0 voltage. VGS is 0. Maximum number of electrons are flows through the channel, and it is constant one. So that current is known as IDSS. IDSS means drain current when gate and source is shorted. Gate and source is shorted means application of zero voltage. That means VGS is 0. When the VGS is 0, ID reaches its maximum value. Once it is 0, VGS is 0. After VGS is 0, that this MOSFET enters into the enhancement mode. So in enhancement mode lo emaitadi, ikkada positive terminal is connected to the positive terminal of the battery is connected to the gate. Okay, gate. This gate attracts more number of electrons from this source as well as from the P region. P region lo unnavi plus ikkada unna source lo unna electrons. More number of electrons flows through the channel. Hence, the conductivity increases, so that you will get large ID current. ID current is large. Okay, in this way we can explain the transfer characteristics. Next, construction of enhancement type N-channel MOSFET. The basic construction is shown in this figure. The basic construction of N-channel enhancement type of MOSFET is shown in the figure. Two heavily doped N plus regions are diffused into lightly doped P substrate. It is similar to the depletion type MOSFET only. Heavily doped. These are the heavily doped N plus regions are diffused into lightly doped P type substrate. With a P type substrate, which is these two highly doped N plus regions acts as the source and drain. If rendu source and drain laga act cheste N plus regions. A thin layer of silicon oxide is grown over the surface of the structure as shown in the figure. This figure. Okay, in this figure, a thin layer of silicon oxide. This one is the silicon oxide. It is an insulating material. Silicon oxide is an insulating material. It is laid on this P type substrate, entire P substrate. Okay, and holes are cut into the silicon oxide layer for making the contacts for source as well as drain region. Ikkada holes just daniki source and drain region loki ఏం చేస్తాం మెటాలిక్ కాంటాక్ట్స్ తీసుకోవడానికి ఏం చేస్తాం హోల్స్ చేస్తాం. A thin layer of metal aluminum ఇక్కడ same similar to that is construction is similar to the depletion layer MOSFET only here channel is induced in this layer, in this in between source and drain a channel is induced. So the main difference between D MOSFET and E MOSFET is that there exists no channel between the source and drain. Okay, akada enhancement in this case of depletion type MOSFET lo channel is induced, channel is existed. Here you see a diffused channel. A channel is diffused between source and drain. Okay, in diffusion type N channel MOSFET. Okay, but in this case of enhancement type MOSFET, the channel is not diffused. Here induced. The channel is induced. Okay, so hence an E MOSFET can never operate with the negative voltages. So ikkada channel em undadu kabatti never operates with the negative voltage. Only the gate is applied. VGS is always positive or zero. So this positive voltage induces a channel induces a channel between these two. Okay, these two and source to drain, a channel is induced because of this positive voltage. If we apply the negative voltage, there is no channel exists. That's why it never operates in depletion mode. That means no negative voltage is applied to the gate and the source. This gate and source. Okay, only positive voltage has to be applied between gate and the source. Okay, so this positive voltage allows the electrons to flow from source to drain. Okay, source nunchi drain ku electrons flow avadanaiki ee positive voltage అనేది యూజ్ అవుతుంది అన్నమాట. Okay, now hence it operates with positive gate voltage only. And that's why this enhancement type MOSFET operates only in the enhancement mode and has no depletion mode lo operate kaada. Okay, so working is similar to that depletion mode only, depletion type MOSFET only, but it is operated in enhancement mode. Depletion MOSFET operates in enhancement mode is similar to the enhancement type MOSFET. Okay, now working, when the VGS is 0 and VDS is positive, if the gate is grounded, gate and source is grounded, and some voltage applied to the drain, the supply tries to draw the free electrons from source to drain. Okay, however, the P substrate has a very few thermally generated free electrons. As a result, thin type of MOSFET is off when VGS is 0. సో ఇక్కడ మనకి ఏమైందంటే when VGS is 0, ఈ గేట్ టు సోర్స్ వోల్టేజ్ కనుక 0 అయితే gate to source voltage is 0, only this drain is connected to the positive terminal. So normally this p type substrate is having very less number of charge carriers. That means minority charge carriers are electrons in the p type substrate. These electrons are very less in number, hence the conduction is very less. It is so it is called as normally in off state. Okay, MOSFET is off state. So that's why this MOSFET is also called as normally off MOSFET. Normally off MOSFET. Okay, when VGS is positive, VGS is positive. That means gate is connected to the positive terminal of the battery, and VDS is also positive. This VDS drain is connected to the positive terminal of the battery, and source is connected to the negative terminal of the battery. Now, when this positive potential applied to the gate, electrons from the substrate is attracted to the region near to the silicon layer. So ఇప్పుడు ఏమైతే ఇక్కడ పాజిటివ్ టర్మినల్ ఆఫ్ ద బ్యాటరీ కనుక కనెక్ట్ చేస్తే మోర్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ ఆర్ అట్రాక్టెడ్ టువర్డ్స్ ద గేట్ దగ్గర గేట్ రీజియన్ వరకు ఏమైతుంది మోర్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ ఆర్ అట్రాక్టెడ్. దీస్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ ఆర్ నౌ these electrons ఇక్కడ ఏమైతుంది మనకి డ్యూ టు దిస్ attracted electrons n region is developed. A channel is induced. Okay, thus n type channel is induced between drain and source. ఈ drain and source మధ్య ఏమైతుంది మనకి n channel is induced in between drain and source. This n type channel is formed is called as n type inversion layer or virtual n channel. Once we remove this one, this channel does not exist. Once we remove this voltage VGS, then this channel does not exist. Okay, that's why it is called as a virtual channel. At a particular value of VGS, there is a miserable current flow between drain and source. Okay, particular value melliga if we increase the positive voltage between gate and source at a particular voltage, a miserable current flows through the drain to source. Okay, that means conventional current flows from drain to source, but that electron moves from source to drain. Okay, if we further increasing the gate to source voltage, this is increasing in the positive gate voltage, that increases the ID value. So we see in the characteristics. So the drain characteristics is shown in the figure. This is the drain characteristics. Now, from this drain characteristics, as the voltage increases, that VGS is a constant value and it is a positive values, constant and positive values for fixed values of VGS. You see here, you observe from this one, as the VGS increases, that means 3 volts to 4 volts, the conductivity also increases, ID increases, 5 volts, 6 volts, 7 volts, 8 volts. As the VGS increases positive voltages, then ID also increases. Okay. So drain characteristics of n-channel enhancement type MOSFET is, we can say that as the VGS increases beyond the threshold level, this one is the threshold level, the density of free carriers is induced in the channel increases the drain current. Thus drain current also increases. Okay. So next, go for the transfer characteristics. In this transfer characteristics, only we see that IDSS flows up to some threshold level. VGS is positive only, then only the ID that current flows through the drain to source. Okay, in this characteristics, you observe that if the VGS is negative value, a small current flows through the MOSFET. That current is known as saturation current, IDSS. It is very negligible one. This if VGS is negative one. Generally, this VGS enhancement type MOSFET, we cannot connect the gate to source voltage as a negative voltage. Okay, so this characteristics is quite different from the characteristics that we obtained for JFET and depletion MOSFET type. For N-channel enhancement type MOSFET, VGS is in the positive region. The drain current does not start rising until VGS is equal to V threshold. That means up to this threshold level, where VGS is -1, VGS -1 and some positive value. That current flowing through the MOSFET is zero, almost zero. And if it reaches to the threshold level, then only the channel exists, enhancement channel exists. Then the current flows through the MOSFET. So if VG for particular value, as the VGS increases, positive VGS increases, the current ID also increases. ID also increases. This is the transfer characteristics of MOSFET. Now you compare the JFET and MOSFET. For JFET, impedance is in order of 10 power 8 ohms, but in the case of MOSFET, a very high impedance, input impedance is present. That input impedance is in order of 10 to 10 power 15 ohms. Only JFET operates in the depletion mode only, but MOSFET operates in depletion mode as well as enhancement mode. Here, there are two P regions in N channel and two N regions in P channel, but there is only one P region in N channel MOSFET or one N region in the P channel MOSFET. The channel and gate forms a PN junction, but in this depletion mode, the gate forms a parallel plate capacitor. Okay, here gate is not insulated from the channel. Channel gate is JFET. Channel is not insulated from the gate, but in this case of MOSFET, the gate is insulated from the channel by a layer of silicon oxide. Gate current is very high in the case of JFET, but gate current is very low. Channel exists permanently. Here, channel exists permanently in depletion type, but in the case of enhancement type, channel does not exist permanently. These are the differences between JFET and MOSFET. Much easier to fabricate compared to JFET. MOSFETs are much easier, and the conductivity is controlled by the reverse voltage of the gate. Here, conductivity is controlled by the electric field induced across the insulating layer deposited on the semiconductor material. JFETs are widely used in analog circuits. These MOSFETs are widely used in digital circuits. These are the two types JFETs, N channel and P channel. Here two types of the MOSFETs. One is depletion type MOSFET and another one is enhancement type MOSFET. Next, complementary CMOSFET, complementary MOSFET. Complementary MOSFET means complementary metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor. So the CMOSFET construction, you see the CMOSFET construction. It employs both the N channel and P channel. Okay, only in a single CMOS consists of both N channel and P channel MOSFETs. So these constructional details are shown in this figure. The drain of both the N channel and P channel MOSFETs are connected together, combined to the single terminal. Here, both the drains D1 and D2 are connected together, and it forms a single drain. And both the gates, that means P channel and N channel MOSFETs gates are connected together. It forms a single gate. Okay, and this S1 and S2, that means source 1 and source 2 are two different terminals. These are not combined. Okay, you see the circuit details. It consists of two MOSFETs in series such a way that P channel device has source is connected to the plus VDD. You see here, this one is the plus VDD, CMOS. This one is connected to the plus VDD, and the N channel device, its source is connected to the ground. This is the P channel device. P channel device is connected to P channel MOSFET is connected to the P channel MOSFET's source is connected to the plus VDD, and N channel MOSFET source is connected to the ground, and the gates of the both the devices are connected together. These are the gates. This is the first gate, and this one is the second gate. Is connected together, and a common input is given, and the drains of the both the MOSFETs are connected together. That output is taken from this one. Okay, now working. When the input voltage V input is high, then it is equal to the plus VDD. Let us suppose if input voltage is high and V input equal to plus VDD, then the Q2 here, Q2 is the N channel MOSFET. Q2 is turned on. This Q2 is turned on, and Q1 is turned off. This Q1 is turned off. That means ఇక్కడ Q2 turned on అయిపోతుంది, Q1 అనేది turned off అయిపోతుంది. So the output voltage is low. Now this input, if the input voltage is high, then you will get output voltage is low. Similarly, if input voltage is low, that means without applying any input, this Q1, that means Q1 is on, the output you will get high, and Q2 will be low. Q2 will be low means Q2, this second MOSFET is turned off. In this way, if we give the low input, you will get high output. If you give high input, you will get low output. That means in inverted output you will get. Whatever the input we are giving here, the inverted output you will get across the output terminal. That you see in this circuit. When the input is high, the plus VDD is connected to this Q1 transistor MOSFET 1, then the Q1 is off state, and you will get output as low output. Okay, if we give low input is low, then this Q2 is off. Whatever the plus VDD connected to this Q1 is on, and you will get a high output. In this way, if you give high input, then you will get low output. If you give low input, you will get high output. That means whatever the input we are giving to the circuit, this CMOS circuit, you will get inverting output. That means output is inverted to the input. High is the low study, low is the high study. This is it is shown in the figure. It is shown in the table. When input is low, Q1 is on, Q2 is off, you will get output is 1. When the input is high means 1, that Q1 is off and Q2 is on, you will get output is low, that is nothing but 0. So 0 is the 1 study, 1 is the 0 study. So in this way, these CMOS circuits are used in digital electronics. Okay.